Today I'm going to talk about promoting your content on Quora website. What is Quora and why use Quora to promote your content? Well, as you can see, Quora is an interesting site that is part search engine and part social network, but it will provide answers for you or allow you to ask questions if you need answers, and also provide a place for you to answer other people's questions. That is why it's interesting to promote. Why Quora? If you go to similar web, we can see that Quora has over 540 million visits per month, and most visits are from United States, India and United Kingdom, which makes them very interesting to promote. Also, they have a lot of organic ways to promote your content, as they have 540 million page views per month. Obviously, Google likes them, so you will rank with your answers and questions and content very high on the Google search results. You can see Quora website on my screen. Quora is more or less a website where usually it is used to answer the questions, to ask a question or to provide an answer to question. But there are more ways that you can promote than only answering the questions. So let's go through them. The first way I'm going to talk about is called Spaces. So if you go here and click on Spaces, you can create a space like this is Myspace, where you can post content. As you can see, it looks very similar to Facebook page or a Facebook group. Basically, you can share other people's content, ask for opinions, you can share your own content like I'm doing here. And people can follow the spaces. This is a brand new space, so I only have, I don't have any followers. So this is the first way to promote. Please, when you do whatever you do in the space, when you are posting your own posts, please make sure to use the proper keyword. Make your content relevant to the space, so don't mix the niches, and this is a great way to promote. Of course, the most common way to promote on Quora is to answer questions. You can go to this tab where you will have like questions for you according to your interest, and you can then just click answer here. When you answer a question, please be very specific and answer it honestly. Don't make opinions, but answer properly so people have a big value out of your answer. That way you will build trust, and you can then also use keywords in the answers, and of course add a link. Please be aware that you cannot directly link to your affiliate products like you should never do, because Quora can then ban your account. So don't spam, link to your landing pages or sales funnels, collect the emails and promote like that. Third way of promoting your content is contributing to other people's spaces. There's a lot of spaces available. You can write a post or a question on these spaces. Of course, you have to ask. In some spaces, you have to ask for a permission. This is also a nice organic way to promote your product on Quora. All three ways that I mentioned so far are organic and free. If you stay consistent, if you post every day in your space, if you answer a question every day, on Quora, results will come. Of course, there is a paid way on Quora, that's Quora ads. You can create several types of campaigns, like sponsored posts, where you can promote directly your product, not directly, but through the landing page. You can have promoted answers, promoted questions, and similar. But this is a paid advertising. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to start your online business, there is a link in my bio to start it. Thank you.